class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know that we were on back exercise of chapter number 6, that is personalizing Windows 7. So this was the topic that we were discussing in the last session. So in the today's session I am going to continue with the same, that is the question answers of chapter number 6, that is personalizing Windows 7. So first of all I'll just write on the topic on the board, and by the time all of you kindly open your books and your notebooks for doing the question answers of chapter number 6. So write it down. That is chapter number 6, that is personalizing Windows 7. Personalizing Windows 7. So we have already done some questions. So now we will begin with the question answers of chapter number 6. So now we will begin with the question answers. So the first question that is given here is, what is desktop background? The first question is, question number 1 is, so question number 1 is, what is desktop background? What is desktop background? What is desktop background? So desktop background होता क्या है? So what is the question? So the desktop background is an image that appears on the desktop in the form of wallpaper. Okay. So what is a desktop background? So देखिए desktop का background क्या होता है? So where you can see a wallpaper and there are certain icons that are displayed on that background. Okay, so that is known as desktop background. So write down the image that appears on the back, or the background image that appears on our desktop is known as desktop background, and we can change it according to our taste. Okay, according to whatever image that you want to apply as your desktop background, you can apply it as well. Okay, chaliye. So what is desktop background? So desktop background, the background image, the background image, that appears the background image that appears on our desktop, in the form of wallpaper, in the form of wallpaper, the desktop image, so the background image that appears on our desktop in the form of wallpaper is known is known as desktop background, is known as desktop background. So the background image that appears on a desktop in the form of wallpaper is known as desktop background. Okay, and you can change, we can personalize desktop background according to us, okay, according ourselves, according to our choice. Full stop. We can make changes, or we can personalize, we can personalize desktop, we can personalize desktop background, we can personalize desktop background according to our taste, according to our taste. Full stop. So this is the question. So what is desktop background? So the answer is the background image that appears on our desktop in the form of wallpaper is known as desktop background. We can personalize desktop background according to our taste. So if you want to apply an image, or you want to change the theme, or anything that you want to do, you can do it with that. Okay, so this is how you can personalize your desktop. Clear? So this is the answer for the first question. So I'm just going to repeat each and every word once again, so that if there is any doubt, that will be clear. So question is, what is desktop background? The answer is the background image that appears on our desktop in the form of wallpaper is known as desktop background. We can personalize desktop background according to our taste, not taste, according to our choice, according to our choice, choice, according to our choice. Okay, so this is the answer for the first question. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, chalo. Moving next with question number 2. Now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 2. The question number 2 is, explain any two position options of the image on the screen. So whenever you change, or whenever you apply any picture, or whenever you change your desktop background, so there are certain options that in what position you want to change the look of your desktop. Whether you want it in the center, whether you want to fit it on the complete screen, or whether you want it to be fill, or whether you want that there should be that should be the form of the tiles. Okay, so whatever position you want, you can make the changes, you can make the lookout change of your desktop background. But in the question, basically there are, I think 1, 2, 3. Okay, so basically there are 5 types. Okay, basically there are 5 ways in which you can change your desktop background. Okay, so you can apply you can change the position, desktop background. Okay, so basically there are five ways in which you can apply the background image of your desktop. Okay, but here in the question, explain any two positions. So we have to explain only two positions options of the image on the screen. So you can choose any one. So whether you can choose fill or fit, stretch, tile or center. So from these five you can choose any two. Okay, so likhiye. Okay, so let's write down. So the two position options of the image on the screen are as follows. So likhiye, question दिया है, explain any two position options of the image on the screen. That is, explain any two position options options of the image option of the image on the screen. On the screen. Full stop. Okay. So answer two is, so the position options of the image of the screen are as follows. So position options of the image on the screen are as follows. So first of all we will write down the first one, that is fill. So I am choosing the first option, that is fill. So first position is fill. This option displays a single copy of the image extended to all the sides and keep the ratio of width to the the width to the height the same. So it means that some part of the image will cut off. So this is the position fill. This option displays a single copy of the image, single copy of the image extended on all sides, and keeps the ratio the ratio of width to height, to hide the same. The same, comma. So it means that some part of the image will cut off. Means that some part of the image will cut off. Cut off. Full stop. Okay. So this is the first one. Okay. Second I'll explain. Write down after erasing this. So देखिए position is, the first is the fill. So I have chosen one. उन्होंने कोई भी दो बोला है. So I have chosen fill. So fill is written. This option displays a single copy of the image extended on all sides and keeps the ratio of the width to height the same. So it means that some part of the image will cut off. Clear? So this is the first position option. Now we have to write one more, so that I'll write down. So this question is in continuity. अभी हमारा equation चल ही रहा है. Okay. So now we will write. I'll write down the second one. ये आपको इसके नीचे लिखना है. So the second is, second I'll choose, that is stretch. So the child. Okay. So let's do the second one, that is stretch. Stretch. So that is, this option displays a single copy of the image, a single copy of the image, a single copy of the image repeatedly, the image extended on all the sides, extended on all the sides, so it fills the entire text box. So it fills the entire text box. Okay, so this is the second one. This option displays, this option displays a single copy of the image extended on all these sides so that it fills the entire desktop. Clear? So this is the second position, that is stretch. So first we have written the fill, and this is the second one, that is stretch. Clear? Next, question number 3, that we will discuss in the next session. So for today, I am just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.